northeast of it today.
Yeah, we're starting to see the wind trajectory go a little bit further south, and we are going to see more heavy snow that could make for some treacherous driving. Saw some yesterday along Interstate 90, the thruway here in New York State out near Buffalo. Weather Service saying that at the time an intense band of snow crossed the Niagara frontier, was dropping 1 to 3 inches of snow per hour. And you can see right there, reduced visibilities. Slow your roll there on a Monday morning commute. If you're off the holiday, you certainly ended up lucking out on that one. And lake effect snow continuing now. You can see most of the areas now starting to see the snow push down toward the south, but the lake effect snow warnings in effect around Syracuse, the Rome Utica area, northeastern Pennsylvania, and even on into northeastern Ohio. Lake effect snow as the cold air continues to come across the relatively warmer waters of the Great Lakes, so we'll start throwing it down once again today. We think a little bit of a lessening of the band's intensity as we get into the afternoon hours as the wind flow changes, but cold air will continue to move through Cleveland and Buffalo. Syracuse, snow. It's been quite some time here. It's taken quite a bit of time to get it here this winter, but it's coming through and dangerous travel this morning. It's time, it's patience, caution on the roadways for the first part of the day. As you can see right now, though, not too much going on as you go throughway westbound, get past Little Falls, Rome, Utica, head towards Syracuse, flurry snow showers, and then over in western New York State, west of the Finger Lakes region. This is where we've got a few more streamers coming off the lake, which could cause some slick spots, but there's some wind around too, so some blowing and drifting to snowfall, even on into northeastern parts of Ohio around Cleveland. Let's take a look now at our weekend in view, and that weekend in view forecast is going to be pretty significant for some of us, as the numbers are going to be pretty significant for this time of year in terms of range or snow chances, as we head toward New York City. We're looking at our forecast here through today. It's about 27 degrees, and then as we get into the daytime hours, we'll continue to see our daytime highs go up just a little bit over the next few days, but it does look like we will watch the potential for low pressure coming in out of the south, and we could kind of see the early stages of that as we go through the daytime hours today of system number 1. System number 2 is going to be developing and ejecting out of the west as we head through the daytime hours on Thursday. Severe weather even possible down along the Gulf Coast, maybe even around New Orleans, and the rainfall is going to come on into parts of the southeast. And then it is as we get into Friday, especially later, that low pressure coming out of the southeast, potentially moving east and intensifying, could start spreading snow down through the Appalachians. It's Friday night into Saturday is when we're looking at snow for the bigger cities, including Washington, D.C., New York City, and eventually Boston.